Yoga is not just your practice of a deep or mild stretch. It really is about bringing your breath, your prana, your life force and blood flow to all the smallest of cells in the body. I'm Lamya, your yoga expert on Glamourist.com, and I'm going to share with you a few poses for glowing skin. Please refrain from doing these poses if you're pregnant, have low or high blood pressure, neck and back issues or migraines. Otherwise, you're good to go. Bhujangasana or Cobra pose opens the chest and reduces fatigue and tension in the body. It releases toxins and revitalizes and rejuvenates your skin. This pose brings increased oxygen to the face and tightens the muscles of your face. Start by lying on your belly. Bring your hands to the side of the chest and keep them flat to the ground. Keep your feet together and your toenails to the floor. Now bring your forehead to the earth and keep your neck straight while doing this. Gently take a breath, and as the belly fills with breath, slowly lift your head, shoulders and chest off the earth. Keep rolling the shoulders away from your body, using the strength of your upper body rather than pushing into your hands. Toenails should be pressed firmly down into the floor. Take 5 to 10 breaths as per your capacity and then exhale. Slowly bring your chest down and head back to the floor. Repeat 2 to 5 times for maximum results. The secret to purifying your skin is to take large amounts of oxygen to the blood vessels of the face. This effectively detoxes the blood, giving you that radiance irrespective of your age. This pose also normalizes hormonal function, which is the cause of a lot of skin issues. Get started by lying on your back with your feet together and hands relaxed alongside the body. Place your hands underneath your hips and bottoms with your palms facing down. Bring the elbows closer towards each other. Then, while breathing in, lift the head and chest up. Keeping the chest elevated, lower the head back and touch the top of your head to the floor. Press the elbows firmly into the ground and lift your chest up from in between the shoulder blades. You also want to keep the thighs and legs to the floor firmly. Hold this pose for as long as you comfortably can. Finally, to come out, lift the head, lowering the chest and the head to the floor. Bring the hands back alongside the body and rest for a few minutes, breathing to the belly before moving on. This posture helps to detoxify the body, enhancing your complexion. It also helps to calm the mind and relieve stress, which of course leads to happy skin. Sit in a simple cross-legged position. Extend the arms so the fingertips touch the mat and the spine is tall. Inhale and stretch the right hand all the way up and lengthen the spine. Then as you exhale, twist to your left, placing the right hand on the outside of your left knee. Place the left hand on the floor behind you or wrap it all the way around to the inside of your opposite thigh. If comfortable, turn to look over the left shoulder. Take 5 to 10 breaths. Inhale and look forward. Exhale and come back to center. Repeat on the other side. The next one is the traditional yogic facial massage. This excellent technique will make you forget all your expensive skin treatments. It stimulates the nerves of your face and over time gives you a natural, beautiful glow. It also helps you relax and de-stress and has only 5 simple steps. The best part about this massage is that you don't need any oil or creams for this technique. Gently but firmly massage your forehead with your fingers starting from the center of your head, inhaling and slowly exhaling till you reach the temples. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. Next, gently pinch along your eyebrows. Repeat this 3 to 4 times while continuing to breathe. Then, massage around your eyes in a circular motion, slowly moving to the top of your cheekbones. Then, in outward strokes, massage the cheeks. Finally, look up and massage your neck in upward strokes, starting from the center and moving to the sides. Follow these 4 practices and in no time you will see your skin looking younger and more radiant. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.